Now the transmitter is at position 1 and the first polarizer is at position 0. The reading is 0. When the second polarizer is put at position 0, the reading stays 0. At position 1, it increases to 40%. At position 2 it backs down to 0. At position 3 it increases to around 35%. Now both transmitter and first polarizer are at position 0, which is vertically aligned. The reading is 0. No matter how the second polarizer is oriented, the reading doesn't change. Let's rotate the transmitter to position 2, which is horizontal. The reading is still 0. But if the second polarizer is put in front of the receiver at position 1, the reading is more than 60%. But if the second polarizer is put in front of the transmitter, the reading is still 0. The transmitter has been returned to vertical position. The polarizers are attached front to back. The orientation is shifted so when the first polarizer is at position 0, the second polarizer is at position 1. The wires in the first polarizer are lightly touching those in the second polarizer. And the second polarizer is at position 0 or 1, the reading is 0. At position 2 or 3, the reading exceeds 50%. Let's rotate the transmitter to position 3. The reading is down to 60%. When the second polarizer is at position 0, the reading is 0. At position 1, it's up to 10%. At position 2, it's 90%, which is higher than without a polarizer. At position 3, it's around 50%. Let's rotate the transmitter to position 2, which makes the reading down to 0. When the second polarizer is at position 0, the reading is still 0. At position 1, the reading goes up to above 70%. At position 2 it's around 50%. At position 3 it goes down to 0. Let's rotate the transmitter to position 1. The reading goes up to above 30%. When the second polarizer is at position 0, the reading is 0. At position 1, it's up to 30%. At position 2, it's 0 again. At position 3, it's slightly above 10%. Now the transmitter is back at position 0 and the reading is 100%. When the second polarizer is at position 0, the reading is still 0. At position 1, it's still 0. At position 2, it's up to 50%. At position 3, it's slightly above 60%. We can get higher readings at position between 2 and 3, which can reach above 70%. Now we are going to check the polarization state of the microwave after passing through the second polarizer when it's at position 3. When the receiver is vertically aligned, the reading is 70%. When it's rotated to align with position 2 of the second polarizer, the reading is up to 80%. When aligned to position 1, it's 60%. At position 0, it goes down to 0. These results show that the received microwave is linearly polarized perpendicular to conductors in the last polarizer it's passing through.